Hi, my name is Sherwin. This is a tutorial for a dance called Countdown. It's choreographed by Abby Cahill. It is a 32 count improver level dance. Goes to the Florida song Countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It does have one tag and a restart. And we'll go over that when we get to the end. So let's get started. Starting with your right foot, we're going to do 2 wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So a wizard is an angle step with a lock. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step. And it's the rhythm that makes it a wizard. Then we're going to take a right rock, recover, turning over your right shoulder, a triple, right, left, to get to 9 o'clock. 3/4, right, left, right. And it turns right under itself in place. It's not really a traveling movement. So with count, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second count of 8 sets you up at 9 o'clock. Take another little step forward on your left. 1, clap, 2, right forward, 3, clap, 4, rock, recover, left, right, and a half a turn shuffle following your left foot, left shoulder, step, together, step. The counts on that are 1, 2, step right, 3, 4, go left, right, cha, 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 and you are now at 3 o'clock. Put those 2 8s together. Right foot starts with your wizard, 6, 7, 8, you have 1, 2, and 3, 4, rocking 5, 6, turning 7, and 8, stepping 1, clap, 2, 3, clap, 4, rock left, right, go 7, and 8. At this wall, we do 2 kickball changes with our right foot. Kick the right, step, step, kick the right, step, step. Taking your right foot, you're going to turn a quarter as you pull your left shoulder back and do a triple hip. Bump, bump, bump. Now you're weighted on your right. Follow your left shoulder, do a half a turn and do the same thing to the left. Left, right, left. And if you know the dance after party, that will feel very familiar because it's just like in that dance. So that might help some of you who know that one. All right, let's go over that again. So we got to this wall. Our right foot is free. Take a kick, ball, change, go right and right, turn, left and left. The counts on those hips are 5 and 6, turn 7 and 8. You end up weighted on your left foot. Back to the beginning, adding that on. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, and 3, 4, rocking 5, 6, triple 7, and 8, clapping 1, 2, clapping 3, 4, rock, recover, turn left, 2 kickball changes, 1 and 2, 3, bump it out, right and right, left and left. You're at 6 o'clock, your right foot is free, step to your side, right, left foot back, left. Now this is going to be a little quick. You're going to turn a quarter and go right, left, right. Okay, and now I'm going to stay at this wall first and then I'll flip it so you can see it. Okay, so you step to your right, you have side, behind, quarter turn, step, half a turn, step. You're going to keep following your right shoulder so that you're going to get to 9 o'clock and step back on your left foot. Back, another step, back, your left foot is free, and we do a coaster step. Back, together, forward. Okay, we'll go over that a couple times and I'll flip it to a different wall so you can see. So the right foot's going to step out, going side 1, cut behind 2, and 3, pivot to the right foot 4, turn step back 5, step back 6, 7, and 8. Let's see, how about I face this way and see what it looks like. Since it's a 4 wall, you're going to do it at every wall anyway. So the right foot goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, keep turning, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the trick of it is, as you do this is a forward step, this is still a forward step. Now as you rotate, everything goes back, back, coaster goes back. And that might help a little bit if you can kind of get those little verbal cues. And that's the end of the dance. So let's go back to the top, add that on. 6, 7, 8, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock, recover, 6, triple 7, and 8, clap it out. 2, 3, 4, rocking left, turn left, 6, 7, 2 kickball changes. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, bump it 5 and 6, travel to your right, go side, back, right, left, forward, turn, back, and let's go again. Go wizard, 2 and 3, 4, and rock 3/4, 6 o'clock. You clap and clap. Go to 12, 6, 7, and 8. Kickball change. 2, 3, 4, and a quarter turn and a half turn. Go side, back, quarter up, step to 6 o'clock, coaster 7 and 8. So that last kind of 8 is a little tricky, right, with the turning. Remembering that the first is side, the second part is front, and the third part is back. It's a little confusing, but once you start moving around with it, hopefully it will make sense. Now there is a little tiny itty bitty restart, and it's super easy to hear with the music. It happens during wall 10. So you've got, this is wall 1 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you'll be facing 9 o'clock, and you're going to dance 3 counts of 8. When you finish those 3 8s, you'll be here. And what you do is, so the third count of 8 is the, you've done the hips, boom, 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 right? So what you're going to do is you're just going to go right, left, and then your own little, it can be a wiggle, it can drop down to the floor, you can do a body ripple, anything you want on 3, 4. It's just a filler. It just goes step, step, roll or something, and start your wizard again. Wall 10, dance 3 8. So let's do that here. And then let's try to add that little tag on in the restart. And it's only that one. So here we go, 6, 7, 8, wizard 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 3/4 to 6, 7, and 8. Clap it out. 2, 3, 4 to 12, 7, and 8. Now here's the last count of 8. Bump and bump. Now we go step, step, something cool, and you go again. And start it over again. And that's the only time that you have to do that. So now, the hard part is to put it with music. It's a very fast song. If you need to slow it down, and you're watching this on YouTube, go to the little wheel that has settings on it, and you can adjust the speed. So you can listen to me talk in slow motion and slow down the dance, because the music's pretty fast. Okay, so that's your extra handy hint from Candy, that if you didn't know that on YouTube, you can slow down your videos. Go to the settings, punch it, and it'll let you see the speeds. Okay? All right, let's get this started here. My music ready? This is a 32 count intro. You can hear how fast it is. Very energetic technique. On 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, take your wizard. Clap it out. Turn left. 2 kickball changes. Bump it out. Go right. Start again. Rock. really fast, so remember to use that little wheel for your settings and go ahead and dial it down. I teach regularly here in the Los Angeles area. I'd love to hear from you. Please go ahead and comment on this video. Like it would be fabulous. I will always get back to you if you have questions. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I hope that I will see you soon on the dance floor. Thanks again.